You want to crush it in 2025? These are the 5 business rules that will set you apart from your competition. Let's dive into it. Rule number 1, leverage AI and automation. Automate repetitive tasks. Use AI for data analysis and insight and scale up your business like never before. Rule number 2, build your personal brand. People buy from people they like, trust, and know. Show up online, share your story, and become the go-to person in your field. Be the expert, be known as the expert in your field. Rule number 3, you have to be agile and innovative. The market changes fast. You have to be flexible, learn to embrace feedback, and always look for ways to improve and pivot when needed, because it's important. Things change in the business world every day. In your industry, things are changing every day. How would you respond to change? Rule number 4, focus on community and collaboration. Build strong networks, partnership, and also create loyal community around your brand. It's very important. It's the quickest way to get your business to the next level if you know how to build a community around your brand. Rule number 5, be data-driven but people-centered. Use data to make smart decisions, but remember, business is about relationships. Put people first if you want to grow your business. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ajiri Alibo. I help people transition from their 9 to 5 to live their dreams in starting their own business. I teach you how to transition well. I teach you how to know what type of business to start, and I help you get on track to your first 6-figure in your first year. If you want to join my programs or learn more about what we do, click on the follow button, share button, and also book a one-on-one with me.